Hopefully it was helpful, but we have one last piece to lock it all in. Stick with me. 7. Turn your life into a video game. The optimal state of inner experience is one in which there is order in consciousness. This happens when psychic energy, or attention, is invested in realistic goals, and when skills match the opportunities for action. The pursuit of a goal brings order and awareness because a person must concentrate attention on the task at hand and momentarily forget everything else. Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi. You now have all of the components that lead to a good life. Now, it may be helpful to organize all of your insights into one coherent plan. Pull out a new page and write down these 6 components. Anti-vision. What is the bane of my existence, or the life I never want to experience again? Vision. What is the ideal life that I think I want and can improve as I work toward it? 1-year goal. What will my life look like in 1 year time, and is that closer to the life I want? 1-month project. What do I need to learn? What skills do I need to acquire? What can I build that will move me closer to the 1-year goal? Daily levers. What are the priority needle-moving tasks that bring my project closer to completion? Constraints. What am I not willing to sacrifice to achieve my vision from the ground up? Why is this so powerful? Because these components literally create your own little world. If you are meant to pursue this hierarchy of goals at this stage of your life, you will have no other option but to become obsessed. You will feel the pull to something greater. You will not see anything else as an option. You turn your life into a video game, because games are the poster child for obsession, enjoyment, and flow states. They have all the components that lead to focus and clarity. So if we reverse engineer what those components are, we can live in a state of deeper enjoyment, less distractions, and more success. Your vision is how you win, at least until the game evolves. Your anti-vision is what's at stake. What happens if you lose or give up? Your 1-year goal is the mission. This is your sole priority in life. Your 1-month project is the boss fight. How you gain XP and acquire loot. Your daily levers are the quests, the daily process that unlocks new opportunities. Your constraints are the rules, the limitations that encourage creativity. All of these act as a concentric set of circles, like a force field, that guard your mind from distractions and shiny objects. The more you play the game, the stronger this force becomes, and soon enough it becomes who you are, and you wouldn't have it any other way. Dan.